Hello, my name is James. I read 3 books in the Jack Fire series. They are The Boy Who Cried Bigfoot, Yikes, Grandma, a Teenager, and Through the Medicine Cabinet. Some things are the same. These 3 books' main characters is Jack, and something happens to Jack every time. Finally, Jack's father helps Jack's work out the problem. These are also some differences. In book The Boy Who Cried Bigfoot, Jack met his friend Spencer, but in book Yikes Grandma, a Teenager, Jack met his grandma Lee. Finally, in book Through the Medicine Cabinet, Jack met the boy who named Jake. They take place different too. The book The Boy Who Cried Bigfoot took place Reno Wanaketa Village Camp, and the book Yikes Grandma, a Teenager took place at Radio City. Finally, the book Through the Medicine Cabinet takes place in Medicine Cabinet. I would recommend this series, The Jack Files, because it is funny.